In this demonstration, I'll be doing a while loop and a do while loop. So, like the last one, the for loops, we're going to start off by declaring our variables. So, we'll start off with I and j, just to keep it familiar. And we'll start off with the while loop first. So, with our while loop, we want a program to run while something is true. So, we're going to put something in here, like printf saying, we'll just print out the value of I plus 1, just to show that it's 1, 2, 3 instead of 0. And what we'll do is wrong way around. We just print it out saying it's a while loop. Okay, and we got to show where we want to do it. So we want to do it after the space, so %d because it's an integer. Right. So we want to start off our while loop. So we're going to run it from 1 to 5. So when I is less than 5. So what this is going to do is it's going to check each time, is this true, when it runs through the loop. So it's going to go into it and it's going to check what is I. So we have to start off and tell it that I is 0. So it's going to go, okay, what's I? I is 0. Is it less than 5? Yes, this is true. I'm going to print whatever's in here. So it prints the while loop 1 to 5 and prints 1. So it'll be 0 plus 1. And then it goes through again. And we have to, it'll just keep going forever and ever because we haven't actually told it that it changes the value of I. So under here, we want to do I plus plus. And that's going to change value to 1. So it's going to go, is 1 less than 5? Yes, print this. Then it'll go 2 is 2 less than 5, and so on. And it'll print this the whole time. Let's just do a quick test on that. Okay, now. So we have the while loop. Actually, I should have put some \n just to make it neater. Okay, let's see if this looks a bit neater. Okay, much better. Right, so what it does is it goes in, checks the while loop here, and checks to see if it's true. If it's true, it prints out while loop and the number 1, and it does that 5 times. So we can see that works out. Now, all we want to do is a do while. And the difference between a do while and a while is do while will always do the first statement. So I'll give a demonstration now. So do, and then while something is true. Okay, so what this is going to do is whatever I put in here, it's going to do it at least once. It's not going to check like the while loop to see if it's true first. It's just going to do it. So what we're going to do is we'll do a printf. I will just copy whatever's in here, change it. And it's a do while loop from 1 to 5. Hopefully this works out. So we're going to start off and tell it j is 0 because it doesn't know what j is here. So it's going to go 1. Then it's going to check, is j less than 5? And if j is less than 5, we'll go back in and do this again. So does this, checks, okay, j is 0. That works out. Just prints it anyways. Then it goes into this and goes, what's j? J is still 0. Is it less than 5? Yes. Do this again, and I'll keep doing that forever and ever until it crashes because I haven't changed j at all. So now we need to increment j every time we run this. So the first time we run it, we're going to do j is 1 because of the plus 1, and then we're going to increment it to 1, and then it's going to check is 1 less than 5. Do this, go through it again until it gets to 5, and it won't run this again. So let's run it and see if that worked. Okay, so you got your while loop up here, and now we got our do while here. So it's going to do a do while loop from 1 to 5. So it starts off, prints this 1, then increments j to 1, and then checks, is that true? Yes, it is. Put it out. Plus 1 is 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. So that's your basic while loop and your basic do while loop and how they work. Thank you.